Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, folks, sorry we didn't record this video from the beginning. We just remembered halfway through, but I just thought, why waste the time? Let's put it in as well. So we got to plot the points for the equation y equals 4x minus 2. Let's complete the table of values. So we're doing that at the moment. So we've done minus 1. We put minus 1 into here. Okay, and that gave us an answer of minus 6. Okay, now we have to now substitute the value of x equals 1 into the equation. So 4 times by 1 is 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Nice and straightforward. That becomes 2. Let's put that in as a darker color there. 2. Lovely. Now we got one more number in the table that needs to be completed for the y value, and that is the x value is equal to 2. You just put your hand down, please. Yeah. Okay, now we have now y is equal to 4 times by x, which is 4 times by 2 minus 2. Okay, Mr. Fahmy, what is 4 times by 2?
8.
8. And what is 8 take away 2, Mr. Ali?
8 equal to 6.
Lovely. So we can put that value of 6 in there. Now, when we plot the graph, you have to understand that we have now sets of coordinates. Okay, let me just highlight the sets to you. Are you ready for to see the sets?
Yeah.
So here's the first set of values. Here's the second set of values. So I'm putting the color there to show you that this is one pair of data values, an x and a y coordinate. So even the ones they use, we're going to use those as well. Okay, can we see those? Is that clear? So what we got here, the top one is the x values and the bottom value is the corresponding y value. So we know when x is minus 2, y has a corresponding value of minus 10. So these two are worked as a pair, minus 2 and 10. So let's look at our graph. So we're starting from here at the 0 point. So it says minus 2 along the x, which is which way? 1, 2. And then minus 10, which means 10 down. All the way down to?
Minus 10.
Here. So we have now just plotted that point. Okay, right. So we are back onto record mode. Pause there, just answer some queries there. So now we got all these values. We need to plot all of them. We've plotted the first one. Now we're going to plot the other ones now. So you've done the minus 2 minus, and the next one is minus 1 minus 6. So you can't really see my cursor that much. Minus 1, then minus 6 will go minus 1 along the x that way, and then minus 6 is this way. So here's another point. Then the next one is, so that's done. The next one is 0 minus 2. So 0 is here in the origin, and then minus 2 down. Put a cross or a dot there. I'm put a dot. You can also put a cross as well. It's lovely. Next one is 1. So that's done. The next one is 1, 2. When x is 1, y is 2. So when x is 1, y is 2. What I'll do for this one, I'll just actually show you. So when x is 1, y is 2. And that's where the coordinate goes. I'm going to get rid of these lines now, because they're going to interfere with that question. Okay. So that goes here. Next. Okay. 2x is 2, y is 6. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that, and then I'm going to quickly rub off the lines. So this is my idea. 2 along the x up to there, and then I got to go how much high?
Up 6.
Up by 6 up to there. So I'm going to rid of the green lines now by using the undo, because I don't want them in the final. I took them too many undos. Oh, it's come back. So where does it go now?
There's 2 and 1 up 6.
Okay, so that goes there. And what's the last one? 3 and 10. So again, 3 and 10, which means 3 along the x and 10 along the y. So you go 3 along and then go 10 up from there. So that gives you that. Now, what we need to do is draw a straight line through it. Oh, the wrong one. Okay, I've been told that's in the wrong place. So 3, let's try again. 3 and 10 is there. That's better. Thank you, Fatima, for that. Okay, right. Let's get a straight line. And let's get a blue. Okay, now mine's, I'm gonna try my best to get a straight line once there, but don't forget, because since the nature of the actual work that we're doing, the way it's been, the image that we have, it's sometimes the page is slightly distorted, so we'll try our best. There we go. Start from here. I told you. Okay, right. Remember, my page was slightly bent, like it was bendy. I took the photo of it. So those dots should really be going straight through. Have you got yours going straight through?
Yeah.
Yeah. What I'd like you to do now is label the graph. So write down here y is equal to 4x minus 2. And we put a little kind of arrow pointing towards our graph. So your points should go nicely all the way through. Okay, I'm just going to go over the points there. Okay. Okay, right. So there's our graph y is equal to 4x minus 2. Oh, okay, folks, apologies for the phone ringing there. Right. Okay, are we happy with that? Now it goes, use the graph to find the values of y when x equals 2.5. Okay, let's do that. So we can use a little square now. We use the orange. Right, where is you want x equals 2.5? 2.5 is here, isn't it? So here we draw. I'm using a square technique. Okay, as you can see the lines. You can see how the graph's a bit distorted. Because I'm going straight up, but it's actually going to the side of it. Okay, right. Right, let's undo that. And let's try something a bit different. So 2.5, go up on your graph, and you should come across something like this over here. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
So go up from 2.5, and then you go across. Okay. And I'm getting something that looks like that. So 2.5, okay, hang on a second. I think I haven't done 2.5, I've done 2.25. Okay, right, let's try that once again. Pardon for that, please, folks. Let's give those two lines. Let's try once more. Okay, line. Okay, apologies for that, folks. 2.5 is actually here. Straight up to there, and touch the graph. Now we need to go across. Lovely. Okay, right, let's have a look at that. I'll just put some bit of extra detail on there. Fatima, did you get that? If you did it now? So we start here at 2.5. So use the graph to find the value of y when x is equal to 2.5. So the y value is equal to what? What is it?
8.
Y is equal to 8. So you start at 2.5 on the axis, you go up until you hit the line, and then you go straight across. And that will give you the corresponding y value. The next question says, use the graph to find the value of x when y is equal to minus 8. So now let's use a different color now. Minus 8. Where's minus 8? So when y is equal to minus 8, y is equal to minus 8 is here. So you go across, you go to there. You see what is in your graph? Do you get, is yours going to exactly minus 1.5 on yours? Yeah, okay. As I told you before, my line's slightly out. So I'm going to draw my line properly now, as though, because I'm just checking for my students. So you should begin actually like that. Okay, sorry about that slight discrepancy there. Okay. So we're starting from y equals minus 8 over here. And we're going across, hitting the graph, and then going up. So that gives you an x value of minus 1.5. Is that right?
Yeah.
And that's the end of that particular question. Okay. So now, the next question. Okay, are we all happy with what we just done there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I think we'll stop that video here and we'll do a new question on the next video. You happy with that?
Yeah.